Welcome back to our channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, your time. Thank you guys for continuous support. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Turn on the bell for more video. Welcome our new members to the old ones. God bless. If you're passing by, please join us. So you're supporting us, may the Lord support you in everything you lay your hand. Say amen. Guys, please, if you're not subscribed to our channel, do us a favor by clicking that red button that says subscribe and the bell that says all. Thereby you get to know when we upload new video. The news in details, guys. The case of the 12 8 of Sunday Igboho that were arrested on the 1st of July and have been detained by the DSS. We know that bail was granted to them by Justice Egwuatu, and their lawyer Belumi signed the bail form yesterday, but the DSS has filed a fresh case, thereby keeping them in detention, and that is what is happening now. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see us on more video. Please watch.
Country people, on a good morning. This is BBC Pidgin, and we did live for the Federal High Court, where Justice Obiora Egwuatu they hear another case where the DSS filed against the 12 Sunday Igboho 8. And I remember say some time ago we tell on us say Justice Obiora Egwuatu talk say in rule say make the DSS release the 12 Sunday Igboho 8 where them be arrest. But as I talk to her now, since that time the 12-8 still there for the DSS custody. So earlier today, the lawyer of the Sunday Igboho 8 will be Pelumi Olanjengbesi tell the Tory people say them be don't sign the bail warrant yesterday, but the DSS can't file another case against the 12 Sunday Igboho 8 where go still keep them for the DSS custody. So now wetin make Tory people come the Federal High Court today to come see how the matter they go. I say make I just tell her now wetin carry us come here, make I give her an update of the Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Igboho 12-8 where been the DSS custody where Justice Obiora Egwuatu say make the release where in grant bail, give them conditions where you go use grant bail. So the lawyer talk say they don't fulfill all the bail conditions, but the lawyer, the judge where they in charge of the case been travel, so they can't give another judge to sign the bail warrant. According to the lawyer, they sign the bail warrant, but the DSS now don't file fresh case to further detain the 12 of the Sunday Igboho 8. So the hearing they go on as I they talk to her now. The hotel they see from my phone. Now the people where they on standby, they wait make the lawyers they come out from the courtroom. Maybe we interview the lawyer himself, making tell us the cocoa waiting Justice Obiora Egwuatu talk. So as I they talk to her now, I say make I just give her an update of waiting they happen. The people till now they still the DSS custody. So now a fresh case now the DSS they file against the people to further detain them for DSS custody. Now so the matter be. So I just say make I give on a small update. Now the Federal High Court be this one na the lobby of Court 4. Now here now the matter they happen today. In case you just join us, this is BBC Pidgin, and at the Federal High Court with this so where then they hear the Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Igboho 12-8 where Justice Obiora Egwuatu don't grant bail before, but DSS now they file fresh case to further detain the 8s. The lawyer when he tell Tory people this morning, talk say them been don't sign the bail warrant. But with this fresh case where DSS don't file to further detain them, so we don't know as it will be. So all of us stand here, they wait to hear within Justice Obiora Egwuatu will talk for the matter. Okay.
Okay.
Now, of Nigerians that are not here with us in this court, may we know what transpired in respect of your client's matter?
Right, today the matter was supposed to be for the motion they filed against the cancellation of varying the terms of the condition granted for the 2nd, the 5th, the 6th, and the 12th defendant. However, when they knew that this is the end of the road, they withdrew the application in court. And that's a good one for us because it's a good day for justice as well. However, having said that, they've already filed an appeal against this same ruling of the court, granting bail to the 4 affected defendants. And that's not a problem. We are equally prepared because justice will prevail at the end, just as it's prevailed here today.
Now, what happened to the 8 others?
The 8 others, the more reason why my senior, Pelumi Olajengbesi, who has been handling the matter before now, the more reason why he was not in court today because he was attending to the perfection of the release order for those 8 applicants. And then serious process is in progress, and we are believing the process as well that between now and tomorrow, something good should come out of that as well. So as far as those 8 are concerned, we don't have any problem as well. The shorties that we done their shorties earlier on has been replaced, and we are working towards perfecting the process.
Where exactly are we now in this case?
Right now, the 4 affected individuals that they appealed against their bill, those ones have been granted release order by the court yesterday. The court signed the release order for those 4 yesterday. And today we are going there to serve them with the release order, and we are optimistic that we are going to get them out from the custody today.
Do you have your full name from camera?
My name is Sunday Adebayo. Thank
Country people, and I don't hear na Sunday Adebayo, na can represent the 12 Yoruba Nation activists Sunday Igboho 8 where DSS be arrest, and as I hear the matter wey talk say then they follow the perfection of the 8, and I remember say when we come for court earlier this month, Justice Obiora Egwatu grant the 12 of them bail on different conditions. So out of the 12, and I remember say 4 of them, the DSS been talk say they no one release that 4 because of alleged criminal things where they find out against them. Say them being get possession of firearms and other things where they dangerous, where make their own case different from the other 8. So according to the lawyer now, those 4 people then file another case to further detain those 4 people. But as Anaya Sin talk for the short interview when do, he say court don't grant them release order yesterday. So now that release order now they won't go present to make sure say they release those 4 people too alongside the other ones. So as the matter be now, then they try to perfect the bail of the other 8 and present the release order where the court don't give to the DSS so that they will release all of them at once. So then they optimistic say by tomorrow everything will don't be under control. So now so the matter be for the Federal High Court. I will still go talk to the lawyer, make him finish this interview when do so that he will use countryman language talk to us. Excuse me, sir. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. This is BBC Pidgin. We are live, sir. Let's just read here quickly, sir. Please. Oga lawyer, tell us how the matter go today.
Yes, the DSS they filed a motion for court to cancel the order bail that was granted to the 2nd, the 5th, the 6th, and the 12th defendants. However, they apparently knew that this is the end of the road for them. They came to court today and they withdrew the application. and we are glad because it's a good day for justice.
Okay, so the DSS withdrew the application.
Yes, the DSS will do the application.
Okay, why it said they withdraw the application?
Yes, apparently because they know that this is the end of the road for them. But however, they have an appeal against the same matter, and then we are equally prepared for the appeal. As time unfolds, we know what next.
Okay, so for the 12/8 now, totally, waiting you they hope say go happen very soon.
Yes, DSS are law enforcement agency, and we believe that they are bound by the rules of the law. We are hoping that the judge, having signed the release order yesterday, we are going to serve them with the release order for those 4 affected defendants today, and we are optimistic that we are going to get them out of the custody of DSS today.
Okay, okay, thank you very much.
You are welcome.
And I don't hear a scene talk am, so then they hope say justice will prevail anytime from now. Make them go perfect all the things where they need. But the big story where they be say DSS for courts withdraw the order where then be filed against the other 4 applicants. So as DSS don't withdraw them, so they say today na the day of justice. Country people, now so it be for the Federal High Court, Abuja. The matter don't finish. We will still they give on our updates as the things they go. Now for here we will end this live video.